Okay, so it's called green iguana, and this green iguana originally Central South America, Amazon rainforest. Okay, and they live up to 20-25 years, and they can grow 5 to 6 feet. Okay, and his name is Ivan. So Ivan now 14 years old. Okay, and you know what do they eat, iguana? So like, what do they eat?
Grass,
Vegetables, insects. So actually this iguana purely herbivorous, means they eat only the plants, fruits, vegetables. They love hibiscus. You can touch on their belly, not to the face and tail. I will keep it outside on the lawn. You can.
Provide some hay, some grass, so you can feed her, and them as well. Please avoid touching.
Eat. Maya. Eat. Maya.
আসো তুমি দাও
Daw. Maya. Maya. Take.
The right now which I'm holding, it's not a turtle. It's not a tortoise. It's called a terrapin. And these terrapins are found in North America. They are freshwater. Okay, turtles, they have flippers. They can just swim under the water, whereas the terrapins, they have webbed kind of feet, which allows them to walk on land as well as swim under the water. Whereas the tortoise are completely land animals. They have they have a elephant-like legs. Okay, so these terrapins you can easily found in the aquarium shops with like a coin size of in the coin size. They are omnivorous, so they like to eat small shrimps, fishes, meat, prawns, and as well as fruits and vegetables also. Okay, so what do you think? How many teeth they do have?
2.
0. 2. Yes, they don't have any teeth, but doesn't mean they have very good biting power. So they can easily, they will hold your fingers. You can gently touch on the shell part, avoid touching the face, tail, and any other body parts. Okay.
Dried maggot?
No, it's not a dried maggot. It's a larva stage. Yeah, it's a larva stage. It's a black soldier larvae. Fly.
You buy it or you have?
No, we have a culture here. We breed our own insects here so that we can feed certain animals, because we can't give them the local ones because they carry a lot of diseases.
This is a python called as a ball python. He's from Africa.
Okay.
And he will not grow much bigger. 3 feet, 4 feet, 4.5, 5 feet, that's the maximum length. And also this is a non-venomous snake, don't have any kind of venom. Instead of venom, they got a very powerful muzzle to kill prey. No, only pythons.
Powerful muscles, sir. Muscles.
Yeah, powerful muzzles to kill prey. So you can touch below body, please don't touch above, you can just below body.
When does it shed its skin?
In between 2-3 months.
What do you feed it?
We feed them mice, that's a type of rodent. Scale. Illegal. Mere desh
This is called axolotl. It is from the Zocominca Lake of Mexico.
And find these beautiful fishes. Inside this, we have two more unique fishes. The white one here and there. They are called as Malawi eye biters. So the reason why they are called as Malawi eye biters is whenever they want to hunt, what they'll do is they'll pluck the eyes of the prey. They'll make them blind so that they can't defend themselves. That's how they hunt and they'll eat. Okay, we'll move on to our next tank there. So can you guess which fish is that?
Stingray.
Stingray. Why they are called as stingray?
They sting.
They sting with what?
Tail.
With their teeth.
There's a sting underneath the teeth.
So they have a barb-like structure in their teeth in which they can sting and inject venom. So these are freshwater stingrays. They are basically from river. The one which you see in TVs, they can grow up to the size of 10 feet, more than that. They are found in ocean. They are called as saltwater stingrays. We have different set of eggs here. Can you guess which egg is which? So, which egg is emu? This is a emu egg. What about this?
Snake egg.
You guess it closer.
Goose.
Goose. Correct. What about this?
Quail.
Quail egg. Now this?
Snake.
Snake.
Only snake?
Snake.
So all kind of reptiles, they lay these kind of leathery kind of egg.
Oh.
Okay? Snakes, tortoise, crocodiles, lizards, they lay these kind of similar kind of egg because they won't incubate. Okay? So they'll just lay egg and they'll hatch by themselves. But these guys, they incubate their eggs. That's why it has harder shell. Okay. So do you guys know butterfly life cycle? Yeah. Different stage of it. Pupa, larvae, just like that. We have insect life cycle here. We have a beetle here. These beetles. Yes, exactly correct. So these Darwin beetles, they lay eggs. So once they lay egg, the eggs will turn into a larvae. Okay, this is the larvae stage. You can see here. In this larvae stage, we call them as superworms. Okay, so after superworms, after larvae stage, they'll turn into a pupa. So in pupa stage, they'll be like this. So where they'll slowly start growing their structures, and again they'll turn into a beetle. Okay, beetle will again turn into a lay eggs. The same life cycle revolves. Eggs, larvae, pupa, and beetle. Okay. So here we have an interesting frog. This frog here, this is called a South American horn frog or the Pac-Man frog. Have you played a video game called Pac-Man? Yes. Just like that, these guys are. They have big mouth, just like around 70% of their body is covered with mouth. And these are ambush predators. They'll sit in a place for months together waiting for a prey. They feed on small mammals, snakes, birds, and they can eat their own kind too. That's why we have kept them separately. Okay, so they basically consume whatever fits their mouth. They are carnivores.
Pythons are generally don't have any kind of venom. They are non-venomous in nature. All pythons are non-venomous in nature. And instead of venom, these pythons are very powerful muzzles to kill prey. Whenever they see a prey and if they want to eat it, they'll just bite and roll around the prey very tightly, suffocate the prey, and before they eating it, and then slowly gulp it up. Prey will die and slowly gulp it up the whole prey. Right? So that is why we shouldn't put any snake around the neck like this. We shouldn't hold them around the neck because they are very powerful muscles to constrict. If they get scared of threatened, they'll just roll it, tight. Yeah, tightly. And how do you touch? Everybody, keep your hands flat and touch below body like this. Feet don't touch above, just below body. Called as a monitor lizard in Kannada, Uda, called Uda. Kannada lizard. Uda, called Uda in Kannada, and this is from Africa. They are from Africa, and they grow around 3 to 4 feet. The medium-sized monitor lizard. An interesting fact about their diet is they're carnivorous in nature. They eat other animals to survive, from insects, worms, small mammals, eggs, snail, like that. They eat. So we have 2 of them there. Over there we have a tortoise. Do you see a tortoise there, little one? Tortoise are land animal, living only on land. They never go into the deep water because their body structure will not help them to swim. So they have a hard and a heavy dome-shaped shell, and their feet are just a rounding shape. So carry the shell and walk on land, not modified to swim in the water. And he's just a 4.5 to 5 years old. He can live around 80 to 150 years. His lifespan. Yes. So they are 3rd largest species of tortoise. A very beautiful lizard called as a beard-head dragon. Beard-head dragon. You can see a chin part under neck. They got a very tiny spikes. So these spikes will help them to protect from other animals. When they see other animals who is trying to attacking them, or when these animals see when they want to scare somebody, they'll just pop their under chin, make it bigger. Other animals will get distracted. By the time they'll try to escape. And they are omnivorous in nature. They eat both plants, fruits, vegetables, and insects. You can just touch him like this slowly. Please don't touch the head and tail. Just touching.
Sunset color is so beautiful.
So it's called Mongolian gerbil. Unlike other animal like rat, mouse, they don't have fur on their tail. See? But this gerbil have fur on their tail. Whenever curious, they stand their hind legs like a kangaroo. Okay?
Is it the heartbeat or it is
Heartbeat.
You can feel the heartbeat racing.
This gerbil, they live up to 4 to 5 years and they omnivorous. So means they eat both like insects, worms, fruits, vegetables.
Do they keep it as pets?
Yeah, you can. And these are maximum size. All rodent animals, they have ever growing teeth. It's keep on growing until die. This wooded rat also same rodent family. We're wearing the woody like that. Yeah, it's called guinea pig. So this guinea pig also belongs to rodent family animal. So cool fact about them, they can sleep with their eyes open and they hardly blink their eyes. They don't have tail. It's called tailless rodent. And this guinea pig, they live up to 6 to 8 years and mainly food is grass and plants, herbivorous in nature. We'll place it on your lap.
Always in cage.
Ada.